Shalom from Israel. Hello from Jerusalem. I'm here to share with you this week's Jets Fuel for Thought. I feel so blessed to be in Israel with 10 other fantastic Dallas women as part of Jet's annual trip to Israel with JWRP. I invite you to join me next year in 2019. We have been experiencing so many wonderful emotions and classes together that there's one idea that I would like to share with you, and that is a concept of achdut, of unity, of togetherness. Here in Israel, that sense of family, of a close-knit family that all of us Jews are, that feeling is everywhere. No matter what type of Jew, no matter what walk of life, no matter what they look like, everybody here considers each other as brothers and sisters. From the cab driver wishing us a Laila Tov, to the police officers who help us cross the street when it's a little busy, to all the speakers, everybody here feels like we are brothers and sisters. In fact, the Torah tells us about this concept, that when the Jewish people camped around Mount Sinai in order to receive the Torah, right before the upcoming holiday of Shavuot in a few weeks, we camped around the mountain, as the Torah says, Ke'ish echad b'lev echad, like one man with one heart. Because indeed, the whole Jewish nation is like one person, one extended family. And yes, we do feel this feeling in Israel so much stronger, as everybody truly cares for their other fellow Jew. But this feeling exists in Dallas as well, and all over the world, that no matter who we are and what type of Jew we identify as, we are all family. We are all loved, and we are all cared for. This feeling us women feel on this trip, that each one of us from various cities from all over the world, whether from Canada, from Australia, from South Africa, and from Dallas, Texas, we are all sisters together as part of the wonderful Jewish nation. I want to wish you all a Shabbat Shalom and a wonderful week.